Hi there, this is Suzanne D'Ambrosio. I'm a realtor in Acadiana, and I'm looking forward to being your realtor. And I'm talking about open houses today. A lot of people, when they list their homes, they want to know when the agent's going to do an open house. Now, we don't always have to. Sometimes we get offers really quickly, and the better your home is priced and the better it looks, we can get your home sold really quick. But sometimes we have to do open houses, which we love to do. And when the home is ready for sale, I'm talking clean, I'm talking smells good, I'm talking about your personal items put away because you don't want strangers coming in. And I'll tell you what happens. They go and they look at your pictures on your mantle and they go, oh, I know that person. And you don't want them to feel like they're in somebody else's home. You want them to visualize themselves there. So we want you to pack up your portraits. You're going to be moving anyway, so go ahead and put away those personal items. In fact, put away a lot of those items that you don't really use on a daily basis. You're moving anyway, go ahead and pack them up. And so then when we do the open house, sometimes you'll see we have some fresh baked cookies on the counter and some water. That all helps in the feeling of when you walk into a home and you feel like you're treated as a guest and like that's your home. That's what we want to do. We want you to feel like you're home and that you want to stay there. So if you sit in a home when you're going to look at it, that's a good sign. That's probably feeling like your home. If you've been thinking about selling your home, we would love to come talk to you. Make your appointment today, and we look forward to meeting you. Have a wonderful day.